everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I am unbagging a Splendies. This is a $14 a month subscription and you get 3 pairs of underwear. You can choose from all briefs, you can choose from all thongs, or you can get a mixture and they will surprise you with some of both. I really enjoy getting this. There's just something about getting this little subscription that makes me happy, so I will continue to get it, and it's a great price too. All right, if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Miranda, as I said, and I do all kinds of unbaggings, unboxings with clothing, beauty. I also do lifestyle videos, including lean with me's and decorating. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Alrighty, I cannot believe that as I am filming this video, January's almost over. It's gonna fly by like last year. Okay, so they do wrap it in some really cute little tissue paper, and it has their little sticker on there. And from the tissue paper, I bet it is something cute for Valentine's Day. During October, we got something cute for Halloween, and Christmas we got some little wintry Christmas undies. I'll link a Splendies up here, and you can see one of my other ones if you want. All right. Ooh, these look like we've got some pretty ones. Little close-up peek there. All right, I have been getting mine in a size extra large. I'm probably going to have to size down eventually, but right now I'll just keep the extra large. All right, these are like a maroon burgundy color. They are a little thong. They have a lot of lace on them, and they're just a really cute, kind of sexy pair of undies. And they're really soft. Something about Splendies is they are always very comfortable. I almost dropped it off my lap. They're very comfortable. They wash well, and I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. They are their brand, and it says an MSRP of $12. All right, let me throw that over there. The next pair I have are really sexy little undies. They have a lot of lace. Can you see those? They're very lacy, and that is this side. They've got a little girl, looks like with some heart balloons. How adorable are those? So the back is all lace. All right, and these are $12. They're the Splendies brand. And then I have this pair. They've got red and white floral, and they are a thong. They are the Splendies brand, and they're $12. Now I will tell you, I have, these are 86% nylon and 14% spandex. I have another that is this material. I love them. They are probably my favorites that I get. The feel of them are just really sleek, and they just feel good. They're kind of cooling, if that makes any sense, but they've got good stretch to them. All right, so for $14 I got those ones. I got these ones, and I got these ones, the lacy ones. These lacy ones are made of 95% rayon and 5% spandex, and these ones right here are 90% polyester and 10% spandex. All right, that is my Splendies for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you want to try Splendies for yourself or if you already get Splendies. And I hope everybody is having a lovely day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.